Good morning, son. Good morning, son. Girl, your feet so cold.
Cold.
Yeah, Sarai, your feet cold.
Yeah.
You put your feet on my stomach, and that's cold. Your feet cold, right, boy? Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you give me a kiss. Oh, I say thank you. Thank you,
What's up,
boy.
big boy?
Look.
Huh?
Look, Papi.
What's up, big boy?
Your head?
Yeah, I can be a body, a pip.
What?
So, I be apple pie.
Apple pie.
Are you gonna go on the potty today?
No, we should all the bus.
Of course not. What?
My boy.
We should hide.
My boy. My boy.
What?
Hi. Okay.
You hungry?
Yeah.
Good morning, y'all. I am getting my coffee together. We're getting Sarai's Mickey Mouse waffles together. And I have a therapy session in like 20 minutes. So I'm trying to like get my life together. We are also driving to San Antonio today to spend time with my mom and my family. Today's gonna be a great day. So she's mad because I won't let her have cake for breakfast. Are you done? Oh, you're not done crying? I'm making you a Mickey Mouse waffle and an egg. Don't you want that? You okay? Yeah? Sure. You can have breakfast, okay? Yes, breakfast. You can have cookie later. What? 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 No. You can have it later, okay? After breakfast, okay? Hey, you understand? Okay. Hey.
Honestly, that was like right across the church, and that was one of the things that kept me intrigued. Because like there was times where God is moving so much that like the preaching ain't preaching. We just worshiping the whole service. And before you know it, 2 hours have passed and all we did was worship. Yeah. Like that was incredible. I didn't fully understand it yet, and I was too cool to be fully like drawn in, but I would be like the band. I grew up with some incredible, like a lot of people that are like either playing for some of these people or were playing for some of these people or mentor the people that are. They all played at my church at some point in time.
Yeah.
All of them. Courtney, like that's where Courtney got inspired. Like we had Left Hand. He used to be like the bass player for like Alicia Keys. We had Spotlight, who is still like one of the craziest drummers, pianists ever. Tim Clifton left the church, became the MD of, I want to say Concord.
Oh, really?
Has multiple worship albums. Like Jonathan Clifton, they were all, Nathan was one of the best vocalists ever. He moved to Germany and sung opera.
Wow.
Came from my church. So like, the spirit was so present. Like man somehow came in at a point and like made it really about them. But my mama said it yesterday, like that's why Bishop, like I've always said this about Bishop, he's one of the only men that I've ever known that has been transparent. Like he's been the reason why I know that the man that God called us to be is possible.
Yes, baby.
We're cooking for you, don't move. And put your sock back on. like, I was about to say this on Instagram, I probably still will.
What?
But you don't know patience until you have children. Like you can't even talk about perfected patience if you ain't got no kids. It's like, really? Can you put your sock on, please? Then you can eat, then we're leaving. We're gonna see Grandma. Hey, see, look how easy that Tetris. Hey.
She literally like, Right. You know what? We should put this in a. Where's our little snap cut? Because I can cut it up. Oh, perfect. I'm cutting it up and put it in there. What? You want syrup?
Yeah.
All right. I tried to sneak it past you without the syrup. All right. Let me go get the syrup. Okay.
I made this fire holiday-esque drink. Show you what I got in it. We start off with ice, then we do 1 shot of this. I found this fire pressed Bartlett pear juice, a shot of that, a half a shot of this. Agave nectar. Some of that, boom, cheat code. And then last but not least, like, it's fire. Sarai, move your hands. You want what one? You want toaster strudel?
Yeah.
You want toaster strudel?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess you're excited about toaster strudel. I'm gonna make it. At, what time is it? Oh, nah, you going to bed. It's time to go night-night. Okay, and then you going night-night, okay? Okay. All right.
Here you go.
Good job, Mama.
Oh, your cold feet again, girl. Yeah, your cold feet again. Yeah. What's up, man? What's up, man?
What?
What's up, man?
Feet.
What's up, man? What's up, man? What's up, man? What's up, man?